I thought this Ezulweni investment and ANC issue was minor, but apparently it's very serious. If you didn't know, Ezulweni investment does advertising. They did some advertising for the ANC, and the ANC hasn't paid an amount of 85 million rands, and now they are looting Luthuli House. They are taking furniture, computers, everything. IOL News reports the long-standing legal wrangle between the ANC and Ezulwini Investments, a marketing company, is far from over after lawyers representing the company threatened to obtain writs of execution for the movable assets at the party's provincial office in a bid to recover a debt of over 85 million rands. This comes after the company's legal representative, attorney Shafiq Sali, obtained a writ of execution dated October 3, 2025 to attest the ANC's assets, including movable goods and incorporable property at Luthuli House, the ANC's headquarters in Johannesburg. Yeah, so the ANC just needs to pay up because now they are going to take their assets. I mean, at the moment, ANC can't afford to lose computers and desks and all of those things because many things are in shortage. Everything is in shortage. The budget is in a deficit, so they need all the money they can get. So I wonder what's going to happen, because if they started with Luthuli House, which other assets? Cars, blue lights, hey man. So like the ANC needs to watch out. Otherwise, man, they are going to be in trouble. Even their security could be compromised. So they need to pay up. It's only 83 million rands, 85 million rands. If they looted 3 billion amongst the provinces, I mean, 85 million rands is just a drop in the bucket.